friends, so I really want to make a vanilla custard tart, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl, sift 375 ml of flour, sift 125 ml of cornstarch, add 45 ml of castor sugar, rub 125 grams of cut up butter into the mixture until the mixture resembles a crumb-like texture. Cut 1 egg into the mixture. And add 30 ml of cold water until the mixture forms a dough. Wrap in cling film and allow to rest for about 2 hours in the fridge. Roll out and place into a greased pan. Dock the dough and blind bake the tart. Blind bake means to place a piece of parchment paper and some weights and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Mix 60 ml of cold water and 100 ml cornstarch. Mix to make a paste. And beat in 2 egg yolks. In a pot, stir together 1 tin of condensed milk and 500 ml of boiling water. Mix until well combined. Add in 15 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix until the butter has melted. Add 25 ml of lemon juice to the condensed milk mixture. Bring this mixture to the boil and stir continuously and boil for about 3 minutes or until the mixture has thickened. Allow to cool. Beat egg whites until stiff and fold into the cooled mixture. Pour into the prepared shell and allow it to set in the refrigerator overnight. I decorated my vanilla tart with cherries and cream.